Hi everyone, this is Saurabh here and this is my first ever recorded video. So if you're watching this video, that means you're on my blog post speaksaurabh.com, where I'll be talking about a lot of topics through my articles in this blog post. Let me tell you a brief about myself. I am an entrepreneur and I have recently ventured into digital marketing. In digital marketing, I would be specializing into content creation. So when I talk about digital marketing and content creation, you must be wondering, we have been hearing this phrase a lot these days. What is digital marketing? Why is everybody talking about digital marketing these days? How come and why is everybody adapting to digital marketing these days? Is digital marketing really so good that it is making the life of marketeers, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and startups and consultants better? How do we adapt to digital marketing? How do we make our life better with digital marketing? So if you have all these questions in your mind, do go through my blog post where we'll be talking about a lot of things in digital marketing. Let me give you a brief about this blog post. So in this blog post, there are so many concepts or subtopics we'll be talking about, like marketing. What is marketing? Marketing, many people think that sales is marketing, advertising is marketing, branding is marketing. But let me tell you something. Marketing is an umbrella brand, and all these concepts of sales, advertising, branding, cooperating are a part of marketing. So marketing, but there is one more important aspect: communication skills in marketing. Now people think that communication skills means having a very sophisticated English, being a flamboyant personality, or having good vocabulary, but that is not entirely true. Communication skills is not just about having good English, not just. It's about sending the right message. So when it comes to marketing, we always say marketing is sending the right message to the right audience. So similar goes with communication skills. Communication skills is using the right words and sending the right message. A lot of introverts in this world are also good marketers. So let's get back to marketing. Marketing. What is marketing? You must be knowing that previously there was traditional marketing. What was traditional marketing? Traditional marketing means having these TV commercials, your advertisings in newspapers, pamphlets. But now marketing has evolved eventually. It has capitalized the digital space. What is this digital marketing? How marketing has capitalized? Like previously there were newspaper ads, there were TV commercials. Now it has gone to digital content. There are blog posts, there are websites, there are videos, there are podcasts. All these are part of digital marketing. All these are called ideas of marketing in the digital concept. So there has been a huge paradigm shift recently from traditional marketing to digital marketing. And how is that established? We'll talk about that. When it comes to digital marketing, there are a lot of aspects that come. We talk about like email marketing concept and SEO. We talk about branding. We talk about CAT framework. CAT framework, have you heard about it? So CAT framework, let me tell you about CAT framework. CAT framework is, there is a formula for CAT framework: N a wealth equal to N raised to the power of CAT. In CAT framework, it's very important, in digital marketing rather, it's very important to talk about your niche. What is your niche? How you can have a very good quality content in your niche. Good quality content will attract many people, many, in fact it will attract the attention of many consumers. You need to have a good quality content, be it video, be it on a blog post, be it on a podcast, anything. A good quality content attracts the attention of the people or your target audience. In fact, through that you can create a trust in your target audience. Once you create a trust, you can, there is a transition, or there is an action where people will look up to your brand, people will buy your brand, people will recommend your brand through word of mouth. So for CAD, there is something called integrated digital marketing. Let me tell you, integrated digital marketing is an implementation of the CAD framework, where you can do email marketing, you can do SEO, you can establish good quality content blog for your product, which will be ranked in the Google. If you have a good quality content, and if you do the right, if you use the right SEO methods, your content or your blog will be ranked higher, so people can grab more attention. You can send emails via email marketing, you can attract more people. That's how integrated digital marketing. But the most important aspect is personal branding, the master's blueprint. Have you heard about it? If not, let me give you a short introduction of the master's blueprint. It's more like learn, consult, mentor, and startup. So when it comes to personal branding, it is about establishing an individual as a brand, a person as a brand. You must be knowing Elon Musk. Elon Musk in himself is a big brand. So when Elon Musk endorses Tesla, SpaceX, it's how people relate to him, to his products. It's a normal human tendency that humans relate better to humans. Individuals relate to the experience of individual business. It's a human to human thing. So when you have a personal brand, people will relate to you. And then when you promote or you have your own brands or your product, people will be able to relate in a better way. And that's how mass trust begins. You learn about some product, you learn about marketing, then you implement it. You consult people, you consult other teams, you consult other brands how to establish themselves. You mentor various brands, you mentor various people, you mentor for personal branding, you mentor various products, and then you have your own startup. You establish your own startup in your niche. That's how personal branding is. So all these aspects are really important in digital marketing, and they are interrelated, and we'll be talking more about these in my upcoming videos and blog posts. So if you like this blog post, I would recommend definitely go through the blog post in detail. If you like this blog post, do comment on it, and if you like this video, do like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.